Hello everybody. Today I want to tell you about the forex trading. Okay, for what is forex trading? Forex trading is uh, that cryptocurrency. It's all about the cryptocurrency in which we deals about cryptocurrency. Okay, like you see that BTC is there, Ethereum is there. These all are digital currencies. If we invest in these, and there we have brokers like Forex is there, Binance is there, and many more accounts we have. Okay, so today I want to tell you about the forex trading, that what is forex trading. If you invest your money, then automatically it will be double in the forex trading. Okay, some of people they say that forex trading is not good, but forex trading is very good and essential for us. Okay, so automatically if you invest your money $500, it will be increase day by day, and it increase every day, in which like for example, the way we have a brokers, Binance we have, Okta we have, Xnext we have, a lot of all strategy we have. These all are forex trading. It depends on the cryptocurrency, like digital currencies are there. We have a lot, some of them I will name. BTC, Bitcoin is there, Ethereum is there, ETH, BNP is there, Binance, all currencies there, and a lot of all we have many currencies that it depends on us, like we follow these all, and we earn money. You have, if you have account in any broker, like we have a lot of the brokers, Okta, Binance. I recommend to you people that Binance is very best. You must invest $500. After $500, you have to earn money. If daily basis you are doing this, so in daily basis you can earn. Okay, if monthly, weekly, what about? It depends on the people that how much they are investing the money. Okay, so the second one is Xnext is there. That sport option is as well in Binance. Nowadays in 2021, the cryptocurrency high level ratio is there. Millions are there. If we have that financial requirements, so the digital currencies are day by day it goes up. Okay, so everybody just you must have to invest in these. After that, I want to tell you about the all brokers, like OctaFX is there, Xnex is there, Binance is there, many more. C is there, MN is there, and a lot of more we have. In 2020, the top level of broker is Binance. So thank you for watching the videos and share this.